I want to show you a few of the accessories for your CADD pump. Here I have the CADD pump, and I want to show you the battery. On the right side of the CADD, you have your battery door. Fit your finger in there and pull that up. You're going to be getting 9-volt batteries to put in your pump. They slide right in. The door then goes to replace it. This is the power pack. We will send it home with you when you have total parenteral nutrition, high volume hydration, or 24-hour infusions. The power pack is good for 30 days. Then I have an AC adapter for you. You won't necessarily need this at home, but we will send it home with you because there are times that we may need to have you plug it into your wall as well as into your CADD pump so that we can troubleshoot something that's happening with your pump. Here is a dose cord. We use this dose cord when we're using our CADD pump for pain medications. This will allow you to give yourself doses. Here is a fanny pack. The fanny pack will hold the pump and your medication. You can wear it over the shoulder as a purse, crossbody, or around your waist as a fanny pack. For our pediatric patients, we have a small backpack that can be used for the medication and the pump. These are your accessories for the CADD pump.